Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser is packed to the gills with luxurious features, yet retains the off-road prowess and rugged, durable nature it's known for. The Land Cruiser's power comes exclusively from a 5.7-liter V8 that churns out 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heads-up display. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.